Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with no time to waste and a super bunch of leftover colors that I will show you right now. And I am not sure what's going to happen with them, but I am going to spread this Meeden white paint around in a puddle. And if I leave a puddle in the center, that's okay. I might have an edge catcher handy somewhere. I want a fairly copious amount of paint because my intention is to dribble all of that paint right onto this canvas. And that is quite a bit of paint for me. I really don't have time to mess with my edges much. I guess I expect to make a mess. That's just the bottom line. Make sure my canvas is all covered with a layer of paint. I could swipe this. I need a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I need a different one. And I'm going to use my number one. You know what? Change of plan. I'm going to grab one of these little scoops that I made out of refuse. And we're just going to add things to the canvas in random ways because I can. And because there's some very nice colors in here that will be wasted if I don't. Like a lot of them. I may just grab that spatula and dribble whatever else I get in here. Whatever else is left. I worked too late and dinner is too near. But I have almost used up my colors, which makes me happy. One of these times I'm going to tip one of these. This could be it. I get the last of those colors out, throw my container into the water. Well, I will be washing up later. I'm just going to dribble. Kind of want some purple in there. It's a little dark. Like connecting the dots. I missed happy hour. I'm bummed. Oh well. So I have some of my favorite folk art neon purple. I think what I want to do is just spread a few of my favorite colors around. Black could help. Orange might help. I've been called to the Venetian blue, which should not sink because it's on Meeden. M-E-E-D-E-N, Meeden Acrylic. It's on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is under the video on the link tree. The link tree is sometimes under Show More, but usually just above it. If you open Show More, you will find my email address should you happen to be interested in asking a question regarding taking a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or purchasing an artwork, which requires basically the hashtag. Oh, that's better. The hashtag from the video title and the file number. Yes, I'm a little la la la. Is the orange going to help or hurt? I don't think it's going to hurt. I don't think I want a lot of it though. I really want some of the pink. Hot orchid. Yes, there we go. Part of me just wanted to chain this. Throw a ball chain in here. Maybe. It's a weird bunch of colors now, but I kind of like it anyway. Sometimes things grow on me. I sew. Yeah, I want to sew on a tip. I'm gonna go with the black dots. So thank you guys for watching longer. Thank you for watching when the notifications come out. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please be welcome to subscribe. We'd love to have you. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for being here. If you're newly subscribed, you're absolutely welcome. Welcome. It's kind of dark. I'm not sure what to do about that. I don't have very long to figure it out either. You know what I usually do? I usually take black. Yeah, that's what I do. Let's do it. Now, if I have an edge catcher of the right denomination, the right size, somebody's like, don't do it. But I like the way the black looks when it runs. I could have put some gold in here too. It's going to look a little like what happens when people spin things, I think. I kind of want a little bit more black. Not a lot, just a little. Dramatic. Maybe it'll be the background for something. Well, you might never see this. Hard telling, not knowing. I think it all needs to go that way to reach the edge. It might look better tipped. I wasn't in love with it the other way, and it's got some beautiful colors in it. It's kind of moody, but I like it. More than I liked it before, at least. Just gonna nudge a couple of those colors over the edge and call it good. Yeah, I like it now. Surprise! I'm always surprised when I go from liking to not liking something, or liking it in like under a minute. Sounds like some sort of mental illness to me. But it's my mental illness, nobody else's. So check out the end screen video. It's an exhibition video, and it will show you what the monthly prizes are in the drawing if you happen to be a contributor to PayPal or Patreon to help support the studio. I know I could swipe this and there would be some amazing colors. But I kind of like it the way it is with all that white sprinkled throughout and the black in there too. It's a really cool pattern now. If it doesn't dry too dark, that'd be awesome. I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Maybe I still have 5 minutes left. I can snag a beverage at 5. Well, actually, it's well past that right now, right here. I want to just keep tipping it toward the edge, but I'm not sure it's going to help anything. There is some intense coloration in there and some beautiful patterns. I just want to I want to find some paint, any paint at all, and fake out those edges. Yes, there we go. Officially faked out. I like it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out over 1,900 videos organized on 2 playlists of 100 each and topic and genre. And know I love you dearly, and I hope you come again. I post every day and twice a day on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights. The second one is at 10 p.m. Check that out. I bet anybody could do this. That's intense. That'd make awesome fabric. I don't know how far I can lean my what used to be a living room lamp armature for my camera back. So, you guys take care of each other. I told you that already. The Linktree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, my website. Teespring clothing under the video is mine. If you need something added there to any of those places, let me know. Look for my 2 books on the Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. Because I can, and unlimited possibilities. If you're looking for tomorrow's video, you will find it on either the YouTube channel community board or Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students on Facebook. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Out. See you and on.